Look! That is so cool! I want this drone. I want it now!
Excuse me, little boy. Please do not touch. Where are your parents?
Mom, you have to buy it for me. Buy it, please!
No, Leo. It is too expensive, and it is not on our shopping list today.
It's not fair! I won't leave! I won't leave! I want it!
Crying will not change our decision. When you finish crying, catch up with us.
They don't understand me. I don't care about the groceries. Leo, don't drop the apples. Nobody listens to me in this family. Leave me alone! I am not eating. I won't go to school tomorrow without the drone.
Eat a little, Leo.
No! Take it away!
Drink some warm milk first. Let's talk about needs and wants. Food and water are needs. The drone is a want. If you want it, you can do chores to earn money.
I am sorry for my bad behavior, Mom. I will work hard to earn the money.
Here is your first piggy bank. Use it to save for your big dreams.
I mop the floor, organize the books, and make my bed. Wow! And everything is clean! Cleaning the car and taking out the trash. Work hard every day! Walking the dog is fun and money too. Every coin counts. My piggy bank is getting heavier. It's time to count. Let's see how much I have. 10, 20, 50, 70. I need 10 more. I am not giving up. I will work for one more week.
What a wonderful family picnic day. What a wonderful family picnic day. Leo, this is a special surprise for you.
The drone! But wait, I only saved Surge 70. I am still 10 short.
We saw how hard you worked every single day.
You earned $70 by yourself. We paid the last $10 as a reward for your hard work.
It flies so high! Thank you, Mom and Dad! It feels amazing to buy things with my own hard-earned money.
Remember, needs are things we cannot live without.
And wants are things we can earn by working hard. What is your want? What chores can you do at home? Tell us in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.